What if instead of reading whole textbook you could upload an entire textbook or PDF and then simply chat with it like ChatGPT? And what if it could even convert your notes into a podcast? Well, that's exactly what Google's NotebookLM does. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most underrated AI tools right now, NotebookLM by Google, and why it could completely change the way you study and do research. First, go on Google and search NotebookLM. Then click on Gemini Notebook. Now click on Try Gemini Notebook and create new notebook. Upload your book or any source you want to analyze. As you can see, NotebookLM has given a quick summary of the source uploaded. It has many features such as audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz and data table. But my favorite feature is definitely the audio overview. With just one click, NotebookLM can turn your notes into a podcast-style discussion. If you're a student, teacher, researcher, or anyone who works with long documents, NotebookLM can save you a huge amount of time. Personally, I think this is one of Google's most useful AI tools, and it's definitely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.